Ever wonder why your stomach growls when you're hungry? That rumbling sound isn't just your belly begging for food. It's actually your intestines doing their job. Your digestive system keeps moving food and gas along with muscle contractions called peristalsis. When your stomach is empty, the sound gets louder because there's nothing to muffle it. So yeah, your stomach's not yelling. It's working overtime with no food to push. If you found that interesting, follow for your daily dose of why.